Today we're going to check out the latest offerings from my favorite candle company. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just bought these. They're from Rustic Candle Company, and you have seen these candles on my channel before because Rachel, who is Rustic Ray, makes these candles by hand, and they are just fantastic and they're a great deal. So I realized that she has added some stuff to her lineup here, and new scents, which she's always experimenting with, even some seasonal ones. So I really love that. But what makes this interesting is you can see it comes in this little tin here, but if I just pop this sucker open, you can see there are 2 wicks. Not John Wick, just generic candle wicks. Man, that smells great. And the reason I like this is because you just get so much more light and aroma and burn time with a 2-wick candle because of how much more wax there is and how many more wicks there are. Probably twice as much light. Now, I wanted to check these out. This is Caribbean Teakwood. Just spent some time down at the ocean and loved it. Tell you what, that just smells fantastic. I mean, it just has like a woodsy jasmine smell to it. I love how she packages everything. She does it with love. This one's Malibu. I don't know what this smells like, but if you've ever been to Malibu, beautiful California area, I thought I would check what this smells like. Very citrusy. I like that. That smells nice too. You can see right there, 13 ounces. So very big candles. And again, she wraps them all in little tissue paper right there. And then one of my favorites here, coffee bean. I've had this before too, but this just smells like a coffee shop. So if you like going to coffee houses because of the way it smells, you've got that coffee wafting in the air, this is going to make your home smell like a coffee shop. So I love this. Have these in my office and don't even burn it usually. Just let this thing sit open so that it smells like a warm cup of Java all the time. Now, one of the things that I want to show you here is that I've used this candle here. Obviously, I burned it all the way down, but what I like about it is just, you know, how much it puts out. Like I said, light and smell. Now, the problem with this is that right there it says it's $22.50 for this candle. So this candle right here, 13 ounces, just a smidge smaller, but it is only $17, so $5 less than this one. And I think this one is the perfect balance. 2 wicks, man, dude, they all just smell amazing. So I tell you what, you want the smell of flowers and wood, or the smell of citrus and ocean, or your local coffee house, you should pick these up either on her website or at her Etsy store. I'll put links to them both in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore deeper. We can live better than ever thanks to Peter Von Panda. So deep breath, let's get ready. With head held high, step steady. Though you may feel you're in the dark, look up, there is a spark. So deep breath, let's get ready.